AWS Cloudtrail enables you to log API calls in the region where you're working. In the production environments, normally you store all of your Cloudtrail logs in one bucket from every region in different accounts. The advantage of this approach is that then you can point your third party tools or any of your analysis tool to that particular bucket, which has all the aggregate Cloudtrail logs from all the regions in every account. But in some cases, you have the bucket configured in a specific region. For example, in this example, I'm going to show you that how you can redirect your Cloudtrail logs from one region to a bucket which is located in another region. So in this example, I'm going to create a new Cloudtrail log in the North Virginia region, but my bucket, S3 bucket, is located in the Sydney region, which is AP Southeast 2. So let's go step by step as how to do it. First, create trail. Just give it a name like test trail 1 or anything according to your environment. Then we need to use any existing S3 bucket. Now again, this trail we are creating in North Virginia, US East 1 region, whereas my bucket is in Sydney region. Just grab the name of the bucket, go back to your CloudTrail screen, give the bucket name here, and then it will just store it in AWS logs folder, which is great. Now here is the key concept you need to know. You need to select an existing KMS key which is located in the same region as of your bucket, and your bucket is in Sydney region. So you need to have a KMS key which is in Sydney region. So I already have this key, and which is a customer managed key CMK, which is in Sydney region. Even if you are creating the Cloudtrail in the North Virginia region, your KMS key should be in the same region as your bucket. So that is one requirement. Another requirement is that this KMS key should have a key policy to allow Cloudtrail to access and manage this key. And I have already placed the key in my GitHub folder, and I will give the link in the video's description. In this key policy, all you need to do is to replace the account ID with your own AWS account ID in few places, and you can search and replace. And here on line 24, you need to replace the trail name with your own trail name. So I am, for example, in my case, I would replace it with test trail 1, which is my cloud trail name. And then you need to update your key policy and save it in your KMS console. So you need to go into the KMS key, go to key policy tab, edit here, and then replace it. Once you are done with it, go back and also grab the ARN of your KMS key, go back here and then paste your ARN here, or your alias, doesn't matter. If your S3 bucket is in another account, then you should always be pasting ARN here. But as my S3 bucket is in the same account but in a different region, so I'm just using alias. The rest is fine. Go to next. I'm just selecting management events and default values for API activity. Again, next. This is just a summary and create trail. And this should create a trail in your region. And it's done. And you can see my trail has been created in US East North Virginia region. So that's all you need to do. I hope this was useful. If you have any comments or feedback, please put them in the comments. Thank you.